I'm doing a little recap now of 2 boxes of SP Rookie threads. First, dual jersey of Daniel Gibson, dual jersey of Dante Green and Joey Dorsey, dual jersey of Dirk Nowitzki, autograph of Kyle Lowry, autograph of Jason Thompson, dual jersey of Michael Beasley, autograph of Joe Crawford, dual jersey of LeBron James, and in the same box another jersey of LeBron James. Letters of introduction numbered 4 of 9 of Kevin Love, dual jersey numbered 125 of Mario Chalmers, also a triple jersey of Patrick Ewing Jr., Walter Sharp and DJ White. And the rookies I had, can see, yes, Anthony Randolph number 2599, and also Russell Westbrook number 2599. So I think it was a nice box. Second box, Dante Green, Joey Dorsey, dual jersey number 250. Derrick Rose dual jersey, not numbered. Anthony Randolph dual jersey. Dual jersey of DJ Augustine and Jared Bayless. Dual jersey of Isaiah Thomas and Chris Paul. Triple jersey number 215 of J.R. Giddens, Walter Sharp and J.J. Hickson. Autograph of George Hill. Dual jersey of Manu Ginobili. Autograph of Tom Chambers. Now, really nice patch of Patrick Ewing and Al Jefferson. You can see 3 colors and 4 colors for Al Jefferson. Now my rookies, I had Joe Alexander number 2599. I had this also Robin Lopez auto jersey number 2599, and my big hit I think was this card, SP Rookie Threads Basketball Signature Threads Rookie Level 3 Auto Patch. It's varied numbering, so it's the auto patch, and I think it's number to his jersey, to his draft position. So it was, I think it's number 22 because it's the parallel. So as you can see, this one is the auto jersey, and there it's the auto patch, and all the redemption are in stock, so they will be shipped soon. So we'll see when the card arrives, but I think it's the parallel number 22. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.